a viral body sculpting device that claims to smooth cellulite, boost circulation, and even reshape your body at home. This is Circuvia Sculpt Pro, but does it actually work? So Circuvia markets this as a 3-in-1 body sculpting massager that improves lymphatic drainage, reduces cellulite, and firms and tones your body. They claim over 90% of users see smoother, firmer skin in weeks, based on their own customer surveys. In reality, devices like this use vibration or EMS, muscle stimulation, heat, or massage to boost circulation. These can temporarily improve skin appearance and help with muscle relaxation, but they don't usually burn fat or reshape your body long term without diet and exercise. Here's where to be cautious. Most results come from brand run surveys, not clinical trials. Claims like fat melting or body sculpting are overstated marketing, and similar devices often rely on short term effects like reduced water retention. Basically, it's closer to a massage tool than a real fat loss device. So, does Circuvia Sculpt Pro actually work? It works as a massage or circulation tool, but it doesn't deliver real fat loss or major body transformation. The bottom line is Circuvia Sculpt Pro is partly legit, but heavily overhyped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.